In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Huntington Bank to Cash App. By the end, you'll have your bank linked so you can add money to Cash App or cash out to your account without any hassle. Before we start, make sure your Cash App is updated, you know your Huntington online banking username and password, and you have access to your two-factor authentication method, since a verification code may be required. Start by opening Cash App on your phone and signing in. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. In this menu, look for linked banks or bank accounts, depending on your version of the app. The wording can vary slightly, but both take you to the same place where your payment methods live. Next, tap Link Bank. You'll see a search bar and a list of popular institutions. Type Huntington Bank into the search field and select it from the results. Cash App uses a secure connector, often powered by Plaid, to link your bank. This keeps your credentials encrypted and allows Cash App to verify your account safely. You'll now be prompted to sign in with your Huntington online banking credentials. Enter your username and password exactly as you would on Huntington's website. If two-factor authentication is enabled on your bank account, you'll receive a one-time code by text or email. Retrieve that code on the same device. If possible, enter it promptly and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you're presented with multiple Huntington accounts, choose the specific checking account you want Cash App to use for transfers. After you complete verification, you should see a confirmation that your Huntington bank account is linked. From here, you can add money to Cash App or cash out to your bank. Transfers may take a moment to reflect, and standard bank transfer timelines still apply. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Ensure you have a stable internet connection during linking. Double check that your Huntington login is correct. And watch for any typos in the verification code, which expires if you wait too long. If the bank doesn't appear in the search, try again after a few minutes or update Cash App to the latest version. You can return to the linked bank section at any time to confirm the connection, select a different account, or remove it if needed. That's it. You opened Cash App, navigated to your linked accounts, chose Link Bank, searched and selected Huntington Bank, signed in securely, verified with two-factor authentication, and confirmed the connection. You're ready to move money with confidence.